Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're doing is we're gonna install bucket seats. Before I show it to you, I have my boys helping me out. Leo, Ramsey, Nick.
Yes, sir.
Let's get this shit rolling. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, shout out to Patrick right there, Patty, for letting us use his shop, PK Performance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with Ramsey right here. He's gonna be taking off 4 bolts. So we're just taking off these 4 bolts right here that hold the seat right here, the bracket. 1, 2. We're gonna slide the seat out. It might be too dark for you guys to see. Yeah, right here. So there's 1 bolt right there. There's 1, 4. We're gonna slide them above. So if I slide this right here, you see I'm sliding it, and you see this first bolt. We just take 4 bolts off. Then we're gonna disconnect the battery and take the harnesses off so the airbag don't punches like Jake Paul. Alright guys, so these are my one-of-one custom built seats from Sweden. Right there. And they're carbon bucket seats. They weigh like 14 pounds. Right there you're gonna get it. Carbon seats. That's the other one. Sparkle seat mounts, floor mounts, and then we have an NRG universal harness bar, and then we have some harnesses too. Different bolts. So the previous owner, he probably used different bolts, or unless they came like that. Guys, this thing is heavy. Like, trust me. Like, let me see if I can carry it by myself. I can. I should be able to. Holy shit! This is at least 60 or 65.
Still on focus?
Yeah. You see how heavy that is, bro?
Yeah, that shit is heavy.
Alright guys, so we're back at it again after a week, because we took off the seats, and the seat brackets were the wrong seat brackets that we ordered. So now I have a dilemma. I got a Sparco E46 seat bracket and a Ricardo E36 seat bracket. So the E36 seat bracket is supposed to fit on a E46, but it's Ricardo. So I don't know if it's gonna go with the side mount, so finger crossed. Hopefully it works out and we have the bucket seats installed today. Alright guys, so the new seat floor mount, the Sparco floor bases, the driver's side did go in. So now what we're gonna do is Ramsey is taking this trim off, and we're gonna try to take these 2 body clips off so we can get the B-pillar trim off. Yeah. And we're gonna put the harness bar on. We're gonna try to install the harness bar in. Alright guys, so there's a seat belt bolt that's a Torque T50. We took it off right here, and you're gonna see this is stuck right here. So there's another Torque T50 bolt right here, and you're gonna use this and you're gonna take it off, and it should come off. It's kind of difficult for me to do it while I'm holding the camera, so Ramsey, show your magic. Yeah bro, use those gains. Alright, so now this bar right here, it's in the chassis, and it should slide out right here. Let's try to pull it out. Bro, your pull-out game strong? Try to pull it out.
Let's test it. Let's test it. Do we even need to pull it out, bro?
Oh shit. See, that's why you're the pro, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we have the NRG titanium colored harness bar. It's not bad for a bolt-on harness bar, and the price is decent. Like, I've seen other ones, they're like $1,000, $900. This is probably the best bang for your buck, but I've read online reviews of where it doesn't fit. But Drift HQ, Chris from Drift HQ, he did a pretty good job installing it on the yellow E46 M3, so hopefully this should fit. It comes with two other little small fittings right here and like some bolts which he's holding right here. Alright boys, so this is the NRG harness bar, the built-in harness bar. It's gonna mount right here, and we're gonna use the factory bolts that was holding the seat belt. So Leo, please give us a hand, don't be selfish. Take this bolt right here, bro, and put it in.
Put it in, Leo.
Alright guys, so the harness bar is in. We haven't tightened everything up, but now we're gonna tighten everything up so we can adjust them. So you see how this is slightly in an angle. We're gonna adjust everything, even in the bottom. Everything looks good. Next we're gonna do is the base floor mounts. The driver's side is in, and then we're gonna do the side mounts, and finally we're gonna put the seats in. Let's get it. Okay, so one thing I want to be transparent with you guys is I couldn't find, it's not like I couldn't find, I didn't want to wait for another Sparco floor mount or the base mount. So I picked up a Recaro mount. It's for an E46 M3, but it fits the E46 too. It's an old school Recaro, but it fits, and we might have to stretch it on that one over there, but all four of these right here, they fit. So we're gonna try to use the factory seat bolts, the floor mounts right here, and then on those, and then we're gonna move on to the side mounts. Alright guys, so I'm using my iPhone right now, so if the audio quality is kind of distorted, my bad, but we're using Ramsey's car for light, and Leo got his flash right here. The iPhone camera is way better because I can focus in it. We're tightening up the last bolts on the passenger side. The driver's side is mounted on, and then our next step is gonna be to do the harnesses. Alright guys, so the seats are in. We moved to a better lighting right here. Sir, can you please pause your music so we don't get copyrighted? Thank you. Alright, so seats are in, harness bars in. We're figuring out with these gold harnesses they're gonna go in. We're gonna figure out how to put them in.
Yeah, this is good for someone with big
How you like
thighs
it?
like me.
Huh?
They feel good. I was just scared that I was gonna, what's it called? Unhook though.
If it unhooks, bye-bye, we fly. Eject a seat, cuz.
You need an eject button right there.
Boys, so shout out to all my friends, Ramsey and Josh, Leo, and shout out to me too. We put all these in, so the harnesses are in for the driver's seat, but not for the passenger seat. It's getting super late. We've been out all day, so I'm probably gonna tackle them tomorrow. And to be honest, I've never installed a harness, so we just tied them down over there. They look stupid. They're not safe. So I'm gonna go try to find someone who installed harnesses before and have them redo it for me. Yeah, so that's an update, but we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Initially, I feel like I'm sitting way lower, and I mean, yeah, because the power seats or the OEM factory seats, I felt like I was sitting on top. And me personally, I like seeing the bumper. I don't know, I like seeing, but like yesterday was kind of difficult when I was driving home at night. Today I feel like I kind of got used to it. I mean, again, I feel like I adapt to things pretty fast, but we're about to make a turn on the red light, and then we're about to like kind of just send it, not send it, but just kind of rip it, and we'll see how it holds us. But I feel like I'm hugged. He doesn't have a harness. How do you feel?
I feel it feels good. It's comfortable. How the seats fit?
I feel like I'm about to take off. Elon Musk, March 2023.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, like the funny part is, I feel like I'm about to take off in a 1,000 horsepower Lambo, but this car's not that fast compared to other cars. But hey, race car vibes.
Right.
Hey, red light.
This is what we got here, guys. Let me show ya. Yep.
The Cody Walker signature.
Yes, sir.
Hey, one day me and Cody Walker, we're gonna be friends.
Inshallah.
car crash. Rest in peace for me. We don't got no
Yo, I feel like I'm planted in this seat. I feel like the car and me were one.
Yeah.
Yo, what is this guy doing?
Bro.
Cool. One more thing I'm noticing is when I'm shifting, my elbow hits the armrest right here. Because, granted, the seat's lower and I'm sitting in a lower position, and I have a lot of headroom. I mean, I don't need it, but a taller guy probably might need it. Yeah, my car's on lip mode. So another annoying part of, I mean, harnesses, this is my first time being in a harness, so it's easy to take it off, it comes off, but kind of the annoying part is putting them back on. I mean, it's not annoying, it takes like 45 seconds to a minute, but when you're in there, you're locked in there.